Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is for a Google Ads for a bakery. My family owns a new bakery. Congratulations. So my family owns a new bakery. They focus on selling cakes, muffin, cookies, and other desserts like that. It's mainly vegan, can be personalized for people with allergies, gluten free. Now I have been making videos for them since they do not know how to do it, but I want to help them gain customers since it's a small business. They are located in a very small town, so it's been hard for them to get people. What do you recommend in this case? How to promote this on Google Ads? And if so, what kind of a video do you think would perform well? Trends, testimonials, I'm not sure. All tips are welcome. Okay, so congratulations first of all for your family. So if you are going to run ads for your Google ads for your bakery, I'm going to suggest you two options. You need to have a good ladder. YouTube videos are good as well. Okay. Third thing is because competitor analysis are very important. You need to figure out the bakeries near your bakery, and you have to use tools. For instance, we use the tool like SpyFu, but again it varies from customer to customer. We it use for our customers, and let's say I'm going to search you know bakery near me. This is a very common word like this, so you can see that you can target on these things personalized. Like first of all, do a good keyword research, especially for the near me keywords. For instance for instance bakery near me. Okay, need to understand that all like cake bakery near me, you need to understand that you need to have different ads for each keyword. Like vegan, you are promoting vegan bakery near me. You are promoting gluten free bakery near me, and should have different ads. For the gluten free, there needs to be different ads, so different ads for each keyword should be your your targeting strategy. And now because you are promoting it for differently, like you are promoting uh, for people with allergies, gluten free, you can have a specific pages for that as well. So for you can promote it with the people who are conscious regarding allergies, gluten free. You can create different landing pages as well for that as well. And specifically I think ad optimization is another important part for your Google ads for your business bakery. So for instance, this if I remove these things, I'm going to show you how normal ad on Google looks like. This is a normal ad, but if I add the ad extensions, location extension, call extensions, price rating, this can make my ad very appealing. So do it. This can help you in attaining more and more customers. Do ad assets plus. There are a few things which we can do, and that is run Google Map ads plus do retargeting. And I think for the retargeting, the YouTube videos could be a very good scenario, so that people should have affiliation. Also, you need to have active social media channels and engage all with each other. For instance, you can create new stories and have it uploaded on Facebook, YouTube, and all channels should be linked with each other, so people can find something new every day on your social media pages. And that also helps you in retaining your customers in the long run, because our whole goal is whenever they think about the word bakery, they need to keep in mind about your bakery. Also, there could be few ideas like when I told that you need to have a website, you can also have take online orders for your customers. I'm not sure if this can work in your area, but this can make you stand out. And if possible, create your own bakery app. This can be another great idea. People can have it or install on their mobiles and can directly review your menu, products, or whatever you are offering. Also, you need to have something great on your website or on your bakery, and that is something like sweet of the day, something like this. So people need to have a reason to visit your bakery daily, so you come up with this as well. Also focus on events like Halloween themes or others. So focus on themes as well, focus on your local cultural themes, and create your products or have a portion of your products into that theme, so that people can attract it. And if possible, you can redesign your I mean your bakery with that theme as well. This can attract more customers, especially more children. So this could also be a few of the ideas. So yeah, also optimize your ads, have a good conversion tracking done, analytics done, or install all of these things so people can easily see your website and you can analyze what's working well for you. So I hope this answers your question. But in case if you need a good detailed Google Ads audit setup or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will definitely work with you in optimizing or creating a Google Ads campaign which is going to give you awesome sales. So yeah, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Let's start working with you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.